Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can connect HFM to MetaTrader 5. So first things first, you want to make sure that you already open up a MetaTrader 5 trading account, navigate through your dashboard right here, and then you want to navigate through the MetaTrader 5 window. Click on open account, and then you want to simply get your credentials for the MetaTrader 5. Now, your login credentials for HFM and your trading account is going to be different. So you want to get your credentials for your MetaTrader 5. From here, we then want to navigate through the application, click on file, click on open an account, and then you want to search for your company. In our case, it's going to be HFM. So in some cases, the name is going to be HFM Architects. Hit on enter, and then you will be prompted to these search results right here. So you can just search for your server. There's going to be different, like the HF Markets Limited, LTD, we have the SA Investments and more. In my case, I'm going to be navigating through the main one, which is going to be HF Markets. Click on next, and then you want to click on the connect with an existing trade account. Enter your credentials, and then you want to select the right server. Once again, the credentials for your HFM market account is going to be different from your trading account. You want to get your credentials inside your HFM markets account, and from there you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.